Today I'm going to show you how Tubebuddy, Tubebuddy, there's a link under this video here you can use to try it out. Today we're going to show you how Tubebuddy will show us which keywords to use in our video to help us rank for certain terms. So having a video on YouTube is fantastic. Having a video that ranks for particular keywords is better. So normally we would just put in our tags here. We would create our title and the body of our video. And instead of doing that, we're going to actually come down here to tag tools. This is once you install Tubebuddy, which is an extension for your YouTube channel. So we're going to click here on Explore. Now, my video I'm making today that I'm uploading here is on Facebook ads, specifically on using an image checker to see if there's too much text in the Facebook ad. So I could start by saying, let's look at Facebook ad as a keyword. And we're going to explore this. Now we have lots of options. The first one here will give us suggestions. And on the right-hand side, it'll tell us who's ranking high for that term, if we're ranking for that term on YouTube specifically, guys, not on Google, on YouTube. And then here's the search volume, and here's the competition. Then they give us an overall score, and they say, you know, this is not a good term to try to rank high on YouTube for because it's incredibly competitive. It's going to be hard to get up there. So then you might try the next one and say Facebook advertising. And we're going to check that one instead on the right-hand side. All right, so actually, I'm going to take it back. We're going to do it up here. Sorry about that. Checking these off is how we're going to add them to our keyword tags, but we're not going to do that yet because we don't like those keywords. So we're going to do Facebook ad text checker. Let's try that and see what comes up. All right, so now we're much, much closer. The search volume is average and the competition is very low, so we have a very good score, 75 out of 100. So that would be one that I'd go ahead and insert. And all I have to do is go here, insert into current video, and click insert. Now we can check for another one. Another way to do this is to go over here and look at trending. And it'll tell you, let's just look at Facebook ads and see what's trending and hit explore. By the way, trending is actually good for coming up with ideas as well that you might want to create content around. So we don't have anything there. Let's go to auto-suggested. So these would be the most popular for that term. And look at historical. And these would be how that keyword has ranked over time. This is a map where those keywords are being used, and then you have the results itself. Okay, so I personally, let's go look for some more Facebook ad text. Let's see. Okay, Facebook ad text character limit. I like that one. Text rules, text guidelines. Let's do Facebook ad. We're going to add 2018. We'll do that in a minute. All right. Let's see. That one's good. Okay, let me insert these. Now, you'll notice it'll tell you if you go over your limit. So you only can put 500 characters in these tags. If you go over to let you know. And then watch what happens with Tubebuddy. Now you can start seeing where you rank on that keyword. And it says for you, if you click for you, what this means is, whoops, you have to sign up in here. It's doing, if you're logged in with personalized search, this is showing where it's going to rank for you. Because everything, you know, with Google, everything is depending on device and location. And so somebody else might Google Lori Ballen and find a different, or YouTube search Lori Ballen and find a different video, or running a Facebook ad and find a different video. So this is saying where I'm ranking for those for this video. Okay, for me, for this video, I would rank number 18. So don't hold your breath on those positions there. I wanted to do one that said, let me get rid of these. I don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that one. Whoops. So all you got to do is click on these little boxes, and those will on the X's, and those will disappear. Don't need that one. All right, Facebook ad text 2018. Whoops. Yeah, there it is. Facebook ad checker 2018. All right, I'll do that, and then I'll delete this one. And now I should be in my right scores. So that's all I wanted to show you today. I'm going to come back more and show you more on Tubebuddy. But for today, I wanted to show you how to use the keyword explorer to find the right tags for your YouTube videos. And by the way, remember to also include some of these in your title if you're optimizing for a particular keyword there.